I'm sure you've heard the news. LPG is transforming the laundry industry. Imagine a laundry day where your equipment runs smoother, faster, and costs you less. That's what LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, brings to the table. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and perfect for dry cleaning and laundry operations. LPG burns cleaner than traditional fuels, reducing carbon emissions and providing a safer work environment. Plus, it heats up quickly, cutting down on energy consumption. Think about the savings on your utility bills. Switching to LPG means fewer maintenance issues thanks to its clean-burning nature. Less downtime, more productivity. You get to focus on what really matters, delivering top-notch service to your customers. But that's not all. LPG is incredibly versatile. Whether you're running a small boutique or a large-scale operation, it scales with your needs. It's reliable, consistent, and keeps your business running smoothly. So, why stick with old, inefficient methods? Upgrade to LPG and revolutionize your laundry operations today. Cleaner, greener, and more efficient. That's the power of LPG. Ready to make the switch? Your business and the planet will thank you. Revolutionize your laundry with LPG.